Did it.
Welcome back to Anything is Possible. Today we are ice fishing, so enjoy the video.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
So we are ice fishing now. We have a big tent set up. We have a ride there. We have some tips up. Dad's drawing another. Dad's drawing some holes up there. That's what we're working with. It's probably too bright for you guys to see, so I'm going to show you this one. Working hole. So I'm going to get a close-up of drilling a hole.
Stick it in like that. You want to keep it nice, upright, straight. It's a lot easier to drill. Tight till it falls through. And then give it a little jerk like that to get the water flowing. Very good boots.
That's how you do it.
Got the MSR stove. I turn this valve all the way open till you hear or see a little bit of gas. There it goes. Turn it off. All the way shut. These are really nice matches. These are like, you can get them at Walmart for a couple dollars, but they're windproof, rainproof, and they're long enough to get down in the things. Okay. Get a little wind block up, and you wait till this flame completely dies down, and then we'll, right before the flame goes off, we'll open the valve about a quarter of a turn. Alright, now that that flame has died down, almost ready to flutter off, now I'll open this like half a turn, and then you'll hear the air coming on. And don't think the flame's not there. It will hurt you. It's there. And it takes about 1 minute, believe it or not, and you have water boiled. Back. There's a little tent. Just made some lunch, had some soup. And we forgot our forks. No, we got forks off the tree. Let me tear the top off.
Yeah.
Okay. Who needs forks?
And who needs the furthers that one that's just spread out like worms.
So we're out on the lake for... Oh, do we have a hit? Just wait for it, wait for it. Just watch it, because it's there. Yeah. Ah. But put it right down. Put it at stop. Go back down. And let it just sit down there. Hold it, though. So you're not going to see the tip. Like you... There you go. One motion. There you go.
Yes.
Sweet. Yeah, bring them out. Nice. All right. Yep.
Yes. He was the one messing with us.
Yep. I
That
told
was
you.
round.
That's a rainbow.
Nice rainbow. Wow. That's a beauty.
Got a nice rainbow here with the sun on you. Let me back up a bit. There you go. Got that one live on camera. Nice rainbow through the ice. Sweet. We'll lay him on the snow and he'll
freeze.
Yeah, we'll knock him down. We're going to eat this guy. Alright, so this is our little ice shanty here. Little two-man thing. It's like a sled. It pops up and just springs out like that. This is from Pup-Up, right? Pup-Up gave us this one. It's his old thing here. So this is the actual sled down here, you see. Let me get out of here so I can film it. Oh, it's going to be dark. But it just pops right up. Slide it out. Drill the holes. So you need an ice auger. You got a nice little pad here for camping. Keeps the feet warm, which is a big thing. We do have a Mr. Heater back there that we use. And we also cook. Always cook food, right? Always eat well when you're ice fishing. And if you catch a fish, it's a bonus. There's our fish over here. Jack Link. Yep. Beef jerky. Oh yeah, thank you.
Tastes delicious.
Alright, so we're getting all packed up. We got our tent.
Bye bye fish. Bye bye.
Okay, that's disturbing. Oh, we got these little ice grabbers in case you fall through.
Follow the leader.
Follow the leader. Take me to your leader. Move it out. Alright, yeah, sure thing. Good luck. Okay. We're gonna go get this packed up. We had a good day. Today's mission was just to go over the basics. It's the first time we've gotten out. Hasn't been cold enough and everything just froze up. And it's gonna warm back up. It's probably our only shot. We wanted to bring the new tent out. I hope you liked our video. It was a last minute decision to go out today. We had lost our auger on the last trip of last year and really didn't have any local ice, and I'm training for the Iditarod, so I haven't been fishing as much as I'd like to. So Kevin told me at like 10 last night, right before bed, I want to go fishing. So I woke up and drove an hour to get an auger, drove an hour back, and then went 20 minutes over to the lake after we got all our gear together, got to the lake, and we got a good hour in, caught the rainbow, and then our neighbor was having a family party with sledding and stuff. So that's Pennsylvania. We get winter, a couple times a year and like days a year. So when it snows, it's like you got to do the sledding, you got to do the ice fishing, you got to do all the stuff. But that's what makes it special. And I'm shot. It's like 10:30 at night. I'm going to bed. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of our fishing stuff. We try to do some informative stuff without all the catchy, annoying, or I find annoying stuff that you see out on YouTube. All right, peace. Good night.